Is your hot water dispenser faucet leaking? Let's fix it. And you're just going to need a few items for the fix. First one is a small adjustable wrench. This one happens to be 6 inches. Next, you're going to use a pick. And to lube up the O-rings, I'm going to use some silicone grease. And of course, you're going to need the 2 replacement O-rings. I'll put a link to these items in the description below. And the first thing we'll do is cut the water to the hot water dispenser. And before starting any work, make sure that there's a mechanism to prevent any sort of loose parts from falling down into the drain. Now let's make sure that no water is flowing through the system. And that there are 2 flat spots on this retaining collar, so get your crescent wrench and begin loosening it. And now lift off the threaded cap and the lever. Alright, now I'm just going to use the pick to remove the plunger. And what we're going to do is replace out these 2 O-rings. And these 2 O-rings look to have flattened themselves out, and they definitely don't feel as pliable. Alright, and now I'm just going to get a pick and remove the 2 old O-rings. And the outside diameter of the O-ring appears to be 1/4 inch. And the inside diameter appears to be 1/8 inch. And I'm just going to put a little bit of grease in each one of the slots. Next, I'm going to slide on the O-rings. And then I'm going to add some additional grease for good measure. All right, first let's reinsert the plunger. And prior to reinstallation, I did remove some of the calcium deposits. And just keep in mind we have the lever, a washer, and the cap. And next we're going to insert the lever and thread the cap back on. And then you just want the cap snug, not too tight. Okay, I just opened up the valve underneath the sink. Let's give it a go. Nice, it's no longer leaking. Let me monitor this for the next couple days and I'll give you my feedback. All right, it's been a day and a half and the O-ring and grease looks to have done the trick. If you happen to find this video helpful, please click like and consider becoming a subscriber. Thank you.